Conneaut, Ohio, leaving. There's almost nobody here. So there's some thunderstorms around, some wind, but it's coming from the land. So it's pretty smooth out there right now. So we're hoping for the best. What, 100 down, right? 100
yeah,
down?
It was 100. You can see it back there. There he is. We shall call this one lunch. Oh my God. Dad, you make this look easy. Oh, he's not that bad. Oh yeah, he's definitely dead. Okay.
I just hope he's bigger than me. Hold that to the camera. Yeah,
that little baby boy we caught. Can't keep him. He's small.
Measure him to make sure, though, okay?
Oh yeah, he's definitely
17. No, you don't want to do that. It's a drum. It's a big fish, but well, at least we're catching.
It's a tiny fish on steroids. Strong. Might be a sheephead. I don't know. Yeah. Well, I'm trying to think positively. What if it's the same guy?
Drop them in the water. You don't want to throw them back in. What a haul. Holy cow. Wow. Measure your fish. Whoa!
Yeah, he's fat. Got a little weight on his shirt. Don't want to keep Yeah, boy! Let's go! Look at him, he's actually bigger than some of the other ones. He's 6 inches. That's right. You just made the cut. 5 years old, right? 4, well, I'm gonna do 5. But yeah, boy!
Look at that! Just measure that. It's a citation, this one. It's official height. Are you at the end?
Yeah, you're at the end. 20 inches.
He's 25 and a half.
Yo, let's go. Want to keep him or no?
25 and a half.
I might not be long. We got something. Yeah, he definitely is not. He might be. I don't know.
Little guy.
17 walleye and 3 sheephead, if I remember correctly. I'm not entirely sure. There are some walleye that are too small, so we threw them back. And those ones are dying and full of their own blood, which is kind of satisfying to watch.
Oh, here's the best part. You ready for this?
What?
I love this guy.
Oh God, this is not what I expected.
There's 2 in there. There's 10 in there. And we're gonna go over there. Way over there. Head back. We're gonna head back now. So today's day 2. Connor's at the helm.
This is a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. Right here, you feel like you got all the power over like the people right next to you. So you can make their lives terrible or you could not. Like I could just speed up and make your life horrible and there's nothing you can do about it. That's the funny part. Now maybe that's what I should do. I don't know.
Well, maybe not. Coming over. Deep. Yes, deep. Deep. Here we go.
Measure him. Figure out.
Dude, we need to know how long he is. You want to know how long he is?
Yeah. I'll say 20 inches.
21.
Pretty good.
Get the other one.
Left,
Right, he's right there on that. See him back there, right?
Yeah, he's back there.
Careful there, little hook's on that. See if it's the size.
Not big enough. I'm coming back. You specifically. They definitely size. That's definitely good size.
Just 10, I think. Oh, he's big enough.
Barely. Yeah, it's like
16.
that Bill Bullet. Yeah. Okay.
Might be bigger. A good one. That's it. That's the one.
The other one's gone back in.
Where is the other one? But he came out the door.
We got our, our limit today. 12 walleye. All of them bigger than yesterday, surprisingly. Yeah, the issue today was, the live well wasn't working, so we just put them all on ice. And I don't know how it's gonna go for the process of gutting the fish, but they're all dead now. That's all that matters. We're gonna eat them.
It was a blast. Threw a lot back.
Oh, those what were they called? The sheephead. You think you get like a big walleye, and you reel it in and you just see a sheephead. And you can't eat those, but I'm told they taste like crap, so it's kind of a disappointment to get them sometimes.
I tried it. It tasted like crap.
Like I was gonna put like tin foil in the oven, put the walleye down, maybe like let it soak in like something for like an hour or two before I put it in the oven. And then I don't know, try it. I know with like I don't know how well this would work with fish meat. I don't have a lot of experience cooking fish, but I know with like certain meats you can like poke like little holes and let like the marinade like soak in. And I was thinking about trying that with the walleye, but I'm not gonna poke a lot of holes because that'll just destroy the fish meat. But like a few here and there, just let like everything soak in, and then get like extra juicy, and then you cook it, and it's gonna be hopefully good. We'll see. So.